Every week, 6 motorcyclists are killed on the UK's roads. 94 are seriously injured. And 19,000 are injured every year. This is a road notorious for motorcycle collisions. It's a 60-mile-per-hour B road with a staggered junction that represents numerous dangers to road users and motorcyclists in particular. This video is designed to help you assess the dangers of a junction similar to this. There are several factors to consider. Making yourself as visible as possible and riding at an appropriate speed will reduce your chances of being involved in a collision, whilst overtaking on the approach to a junction is dangerous and not recommended. Chris Smith is a trustee with the DocBike charity. He's been training people to ride at speed on blue lights for many years.
Road position is important. It allows you to manage risk, so moving away from potential danger. In this scenario at the moment, the danger starts on the left-hand side, so can we use the space of our lane to create space between us and the potential risk from the drivers? If we position, we can see, and more importantly, be seen. So approaching this junction, slowing down the approach, looking for the cars. And what I tend to preach is look at the car wheels, because the wheels will tell you direction of travel. The wheels will tell you whether the car's motion is stationary, or whether the car's still moving towards you. And if they are moving towards you, that's a danger.
DocBike will never tell you what to do, but by giving you this information, you'll have the ability to keep yourself on 2 wheels. For more information and to read more about DocBike, head to docbike.org.